That's another nice Corvette.
Yeah. Woo!
Definitely have to trim the video.
That's all right.
Woohoo! Never! 12 more years! Woo!
Well, we got these people in the corner.
Woohoo! Yeah, Trump 2020!
Right.
12 more years!
Right. Oh, that's right.
Yeah. We should go back there and get them all.
Right, 2020, 12 more years. Right. Which way are we turning? Oh, that's funny shit there.
Oh no. It's not that bad.
It does help that the cab's air suspended.
Yes.
That's some stuff there.
Right where that popo.
Wait.
And everything.
Is this where we turn?
No, go up to the
light.
monument and then go left. You'll see a cannon up here. You see the light?
Yep.
Right there, make a left.
Probably the people on campus.
I don't know, because most of those students got sent home. I think just the international ones are there.
Really?
We might be better off in the square. Yeah, we got them sent home because that day they were out going crazy with us. They were supposed to be under quarantine, and we posted the videos all over the college.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah.
That's
And
great.
the next day they sent all the students home except the international ones.
That there's karma.
Yeah.
Although it kind of makes it unfortunate because now we can't go back and do it more.
Yeah.
Now it's not going to be as much. Well, it might be even more fun. Who knows?
Now they'll all just be out protesting.
My arm's getting tired.
Yeah, see, there's no
Yeah,
right there.
there's some up there walking.
Just enough to give us some rides.
I wish it was like packed though. That'd be a lot more fun.
Whatever you don't get, the dash cam will get.
Make a right at the stop sign.
This stop sign?
Up here, yeah.
No, they don't care at all. They probably all got yelled at.
This road, Broadway, is very liberal.
Well, that was gonna hurt if you hit that.
I knew it was more than this.
Yeah, there's nobody out here tonight.
They heard us coming.
Yeah. We might be better off just running around the square area.
Well, let's keep going and just get in the square, just keep going around.
Yeah.
And around.
Well, if you want to go back to the square, just make a right at the next intersection. Yep.
God, look at it. That's funny.
We should go to Grove City. My ex goes there. She's far left. What was that?
I don't know.
I got no idea.
All you're getting is bird shit on the windshield.
What else is it to be getting? I mean, I need the people. I'm zoomed in as far as your phone will go.
They gave us the finger. I know I'm number one.
This is kind of sad though tonight.
Oh, well.
I love how the one sign in the square says racism is little dick action. It's like, how are we racist? Explain that one.
Trump, that's why. Here we go. Time to trigger some libs.
I wonder what they figure they're accomplishing standing there on the sidewalk.
Not much of anything. Just shake his head. Wow.
All right, Frank, now how we get back to your house?
All right, we'll go make a left up here, and then we'll go to 4th Street and make a left again.
All right.
That's great.
Oh, I tell you, that